If you're looking to begin your tech career, but you don't have any prior experience, then I have the perfect career opportunity for you. And the great thing about it is that it pays $36 an hour. What's up, guys? My name is Andrew Baines, and I host the Custom Journeys podcast. And this channel is all about helping you all have a successful STEM career. Let's go ahead and jump into it by talking about Accenture's Tech Apprenticeship program. All right, so I've covered tech apprenticeship programs quite a bit on this channel. But if you're not familiar with them, apprenticeships are basically opportunities where you can learn on the job while being a full-time employee. So Accenture is a great company. They're based in the US primarily. And this program that they're offering is a year-long paid opportunity. Some of the things that they point out that you'll gain is on-the-job training, learning new things, and from exciting hands-on experience and an innovative workplace. And so if we scroll down here, they offer you a lot of mentoring, formal learning opportunities, on-the-job training, and then ongoing coaching opportunities. So one of the best things that you can take away from this role is not only learning the technical components of it, but being able to network, being able to get mentored and coached from experienced, successful STEM or tech professionals at Accenture. They're particularly looking for people that don't have experience. They actually took it a step further than that, and they actually want people that don't even have a 4-year college degree. So if that's you, then I highly encourage you all to check out this opportunity. They kind of identify some of the things that you'll do in a typical day, working with existing IT modules, working and analyzing different businesses and assessing different business models. Also, they list that you'll be able to get your hands dirty with some of the technical things, such as programming skills, working with modern frameworks, design thinking, and building portions of applications that solve clients' needs. They have some more bullet points here. I'll definitely let you guys read that on your own time. If you scroll down a little bit more, they actually list 5 key bullet points that describe the individual that they're looking for. And if I summarize the first 3, for me, these all kind of speak to curiosity, right? So they're looking for individuals that are curious about how things work, what problems our businesses having, and how we can address or innovate to develop a solution for these businesses. So you want to have a continuous appetite to learn, because this is going to be an opportunity where you're expected to learn a lot each and every day. They also mentioned, of course, that you'll be working in a collaborative team environment, and they want people that are going to pay attention to detail. You're going to be working with Fortune 500 companies, so it's important that you can be very attentive and pay attention to detail and not overlook things. Getting into some more of the qualifications, again, high school diploma or GED is all you need to get started. And then they also list some of the compensation ranges for different states. So luckily, California, I think Colorado and New York all have laws that require you to be transparent about the different pay ranges for different jobs that you offer. So you can kind of get a sneak peek that for California and New York, this role pays up to $36 an hour. If you're in the Washington, D.C. area, it'll pay up to $33 an hour. And then if you're in Colorado, it'll pay around $31 an hour. So, of course, California and New York, higher cost of living. So the cost may not be as high depending on if you're in a low cost of living city or state, but just want to make you aware that you can make up to $36 an hour, which is typically a pretty good income, especially if you're just starting out your career. So now I want to scroll down to the bottom where they identify some of the key locations where this role is available. And so as you can see, there's a ton of different cities on here, probably up 20 or more. So a lot of opportunities here. One thing that I didn't mention earlier is that this is a on-site role. So you must be in one of these cities where Accenture has one of their offices, because as I mentioned earlier, you're going to be getting mentoring, hands-on coaching, hands-on learning at the job. I know a lot of people want to work remote, but I think this is the perfect opportunity for you to work on site, because you can't get that in a remote environment. And the networking component is so huge in every job, but even more so in this role in particular, because you're just starting out your career. That's it for this role. I'll definitely leave the link to the application in the description of the YouTube video so you guys can apply. 2 other things I want to point out real quick. I recently interviewed a couple of recruiters at Lincoln Financial Group. I will put the link to this careers website in the description below. But I highly encourage you guys to go on there and check it out. Lincoln Financial has a ton of tech positions available. They have project management, they got cybersecurity, they have full stack developers, they have IT specialists, they have all kinds of positions. And the great thing about it is that they're a nationwide company, but then also they have remote opportunities available as well. And during the interview with the recruiters from Lincoln Financial Group, they did a great job of breaking down what they look for in candidates and how candidates can really stand out to them when applying for these roles. So I highly encourage you guys to go check it out. It's like a 30-minute video. And then lastly, I recently started a newsletter. So if you want to receive more jobs and more opportunities like the ones I've covered today, and then also if you want me to send you like regular updates on a weekly basis about jobs and content that I'm releasing, I highly encourage you all to check it out. I'll leave the link to this newsletter in the description below. You just need your name, your email, and then here's what you can kind of expect from the newsletter. It's real short and simple. Here's a sign up button if you haven't signed up for the newsletter yet. And then here are some different can't miss opportunities. So on this particular newsletter, I was focusing on Linux systems engineering, cloud computing, and software engineering roles. And so I actually put the job application links in here so you can find those and apply to these different roles that you think you may be interested in. I do my best to also include the pay and then also the location and experience required. Whatever they list, I definitely include it in the newsletter. And then lastly, I also may include a video or two. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to make this real quick 4th of July video spotlighting a tech apprenticeship program for you. I know you guys have been asking and inquiring me to make more job content. So I'm going to do my best to make more of these videos moving forward. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button below, share this with somebody that you know that could find it useful. And then also be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So I appreciate you all for watching, and then stay tuned as I bring you back more great content to help you all have a successful STEM career.